Okay, so this short video is going to show you how to use the flick mode on the new ElectraStim Axis electrostimulator. So the first thing we need to do is use the mode button and select flick mode. So we just continuously select the mode button, we go across the pulse modes, and then the flick mode you can see is now selected. So the first of the flick patterns, basically when you flick it, you'll see there, when we flick it, both outputs, depending on the aggression of the flick, they climb up. So they're doing it in harmony, or in synchrony as we call it. Each output is responding to the aggression of the forward motions. You can adjust the intensity, of course, with each output, depending on... So basically, when you set the intensity levels there, if you do the hardest flick you can, the left channel will hit a level 6, the right channel will hit level 12. So you're still in control of the maximum output, but it won't feel like the maximum levels until you start to apply the motion. So that's basically one of the flick options. If you go through the flick menu there, so you've got flick 1 and 2, you can go down to channel 1 only. So if you just wanted the motion to affect the toy that's connected to your left channel, or output 1, then we can leave it such that output 2 is just static. Likewise, we can switch it around so that the right channel, or channel 2, responds to motion. And we can also do inverting patterns as well. So if we wanted output 1 to increase and output 2 to decrease with motion, then that's possible. And also we can do the other way around. We can have output 1 decreasing while output 2 increases. So it just adds a lot of dynamics to the way you can change the sensations of different toys at your own pace and sympathy. Okay, so that's the ElectraStim flick modes. Thanks for watching.